Hi everybody, Mike with Enviroscape LA. We're at Environmental Charter Middle School in Gardena, and we got called in on this project because they had some vertical gardens here, but they were not in operation. They were kind of like, whoever put these together, they molded the boxes, they got the trop, but then it stopped there. There wasn't a practical way to make this thing work. So they called the Enviroscape crew in, and here's what we came up with, and I'm going to show you. It's a little bit of pond world meets landscape world, and they're going to be able to grow food here. Students are going to be able to test different types of fertilizers, organic versus water-soluble fertilizers. It's going to be great for if you have a student, a middle school student, in your home. You might want to check about coming to this place. It's really great with figuring things out for what's going to be better for the environment, for the future of our planet. Anyway, so a little bit about what we did here. We scooped out all the soil that was in here, and we put in 45 millimeter EPDM pond liner here. We have these eco rain tanks. The sole function is just to be able to hold up structure. We didn't want kids to step in there and try to take a bath or whatever. We wanted, so this is going to prevent that. Now, what's on top of this is pond filter mat. It traps the solids, so they'll be able to just pull it out and hit it against a wall and then put it back in, but it lets water go through. Now, what we did for the watering system is we have here, you can see there's a pump here. The electrical's not set up yet here, but it soon will be. We're gonna put it on a timer, and then we have an OASE 800 gallon per hour pump. That's pulling water out of the bottom and is pushing it into this drip irrigation, this makeshift drip irrigation we did with emitters. We have 3 per, you can see this here, it's just dripping out. And there it is, right there. And then it goes from one box, it goes to the next, to the next, to the next, and that's how it's gonna get watered. It'll come on about every 15 minutes or so. Just a great little system, but it'll be able to provide a ton of food, it'll look amazing, and most of all, it's gonna be able to work. Mike with Enviroscape LA signing off. When you think regenerative practices, think Enviroscape LA.